Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna show you guys the aftermath of my resin crafting the other day. I am crafting outside with resin because you guys, it is super deadly. If you do not know that, then you need to do more research before you dip in. Anyway, I am using this like ghosty one from Joann's. And it has these little hole like spots for the eyes, and I tried to put black sequins in there before I put in my resin. This is clear resin with a white like ink that I added to it. I added too much because I wanted it to be kind of translucent like this hand, and I accidentally squirted way too much in there and it made it super white. I love this little skeleton hand. I added a little bit of drops, like 3 drops, and this is clear. And then the skeleton hand is like a clouded clear, if that makes sense. But I just was literally running out of time because I was sweating to death. So these are, I was just like pouring stuff into my molds. And then also my lighter was not working. So I couldn't get all the little, see all the tiny little bubbles in there, you guys? I don't know if you can see from the back and stuff. But literally all my designs have bubbles in them because my lighter was like not working. It would like light for 5 seconds and then blow out. So I was over it. This one I was just throwing in like iridescent holographic glitter, some bats in there to kind of make it look like a witch's potion kind of. Oh, I mean, that's the look I was going for. So again, look at, you can't really see the skull design on the top. And then I had a few like scrapes and drips of some purple left over. So look, if I turn the bottle to the side, it looks full-blown purple. And then it's not though. Like there's the back is clear, there's that purple. So I guess that technique is kind of cool, just a few drips in the very back. Here it has 3 different colored bats. I just filled it in with the clear that I had left over. So I was kind of just shoving those in. These ones are my favorite of the bunch. An upside down bat in a heart shape. Look at all those bubbles though. Oh well, it's still cute. And then look at the little ghosties. This one's an oval shape. And then I have a ghosty in a circle shape as well. And it's already got the little hole for the charm. These are like basically a 1/2 inch wide. Super cute. Like I said, my favorite of the bunch. And then here's the circle one. So I'm definitely going to order another set of these dies because you can only make 3 at a time, you know. And then here's another one. I did not like the way this was. So this was my clear with a little bit of white to make it cloudy. And then I just poured glitter onto the back. And it kind of just started sucking up the glitter and mixing it itself. I do not like that technique. So definitely mix your glitter before you just try to dump it on. So here are my trays. Total fail, you guys. And that's okay with crafting or any venture. Mine are still tacky and sticky, and it has been well over 24 hours, and I just did not mix my stuff long enough. See some wet spots on there? And I definitely don't want to go through the process to try to make this unsticky because you have to add another layer of acrylic, and I don't want to waste any more acrylic on these 2 pieces. This one was supposed to be candy corn on the left with the ghost, and then the one on the right is looking like it was, but it's just not dry. I used that faux vinyl from AliExpress because you can't use paper, so I die cut out some vinyl and it just was curling up. Literally, I had to keep dunking it back down. It was floating to the surface, you guys. I don't know why it was doing that, but it was a pain in the butt. So definitely just trashing these guys, and I'll do better on the next time. And mix for a full 2 minutes before you pour. All right, bye guys.